Give me your ID.
Nope. Absolutely not. You're going viral, buddy.
Yeah, that's right. I hope so.
Yep.
I hope
You're gonna
so.
lose your pension. How old are you? How old are you?
Give me your ID.
No, absolutely not. I can't walk. I'm a paraplegic. You put your hands on me. I want to speak to someone else.
Talk to somebody else.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. A few months back, I covered an incident featuring Alberta Rights Media, where RCMP officers attacked the paraplegic man for recording from a parked vehicle.
I'm engaged in a constitutional activity. He cannot deem this a crime. If he wants to take it there and escalate it, we absolutely can. But this little cupcake right here ain't gonna do
No. See,
This little here just told me I committed a crime.
I didn't hear that one, but here, can I try to explain it to you?
You just touched my Get out of my car! Get out of my car!
Step out of your vehicle.
I can't step out.
Okay, well, you're under arrest for obstruction.
Nope.
He was handcuffed to his steering wheel and eventually set free without charges, but spent the next weeks in a sling due to the injuries sustained during that interaction. Not surprisingly, it isn't the first time he's been assaulted by Canadian officers.
8295 is my badge.
8295, and what's your name?
Right there.
Your name is right there. You're covering it with your mic.
Step out of the vehicle, you're under arrest.
I can't step out of the
Step
vehicle.
out of the vehicle, you're under arrest.
I can't walk. Do you hear me, sir? I can't walk. I can't walk. I can't walk, you f***ing idiot. I can't walk. Get away from me. Get away from me. You can't open my door like that.
Go ahead.
No, then he just drives away.
And now, in the summer of 2023, he was driving to pick up a few things to celebrate his birthday, when Deputy Couchet of the Chestermere Sheriff's Office got behind his vehicle and pulled him over.
So I'm being pulled over. I'm being pulled over and harassed again.
Hi there. Can you roll up your window, please?
Can I what?
Roll up your window, please.
I ain't rolling up.
Yes, you are.
I ain't rolling up. What the f you talking about? Roll up my window.
Would you roll up your window, please?
For what? Is that a lawful you pulled me over to ask me to roll up my window?
Yep.
Get the f out of here. What's your name and badge number?
I'll give it to you when you.
Yo, give me it now.
You. Okay, you're gonna.
You just assaulted me. What are you doing? I'm a handicap. You goof. You just assaulted me, you idiot.
You're gonna.
You.
ARM struggles to get his phone recording again after the officer slapped it out of his hand, so while he tries to get it back on track, today's video is sponsored by Policy Genius, your one-stop shop to find and buy the insurance you need at the right price. If you're a parent, caregiver, or have anyone relying on your income, you need life insurance. It's that simple. Policy Genius was built to modernize the life insurance industry by making it easy to compare life insurance quotes from top companies with just a few clicks to find your lowest price. With Policy Genius, you can find life insurance policies that start at just $292 per year for $1 million of coverage. Some options offer same-day approval and avoid unnecessary medical exams. They have licensed agents who can help you find the options that offer coverage in as little as a week. Plus, they're not incentivized to recommend one insurer over another, so you can trust their guidance. And with Policy Genius, there are no added fees and your personal information is private. Your family deserves a financial safety net. So to start comparing quotes and to simplify insurance buying, check out policygenius.com/lackluster. Thanks to Policy Genius for sponsoring this video. And now, back to our story, where ARM gets his phone recording again after having it slapped out of his hand.
Reasonable amount of respect.
That you put your hands on me. You put your hands on me.
After you
put your hands on me. I didn't yell at you. You unlawfully pulled me over. You unlawfully pulled me over. You unlawfully asked me to roll up my windows. You didn't see me with tint, so you have no reasonable articulable suspicion that they are tinted. You just did it to be a dick.
No, I didn't.
So go f yourself. I'm not helping you investigate me. Kick rocks, man. Get the f out of here.
Yes, you are.
Get out of here.
Yes, you are.
I can't walk. I can't walk. I'm a paraplegic, you idiot.
Where's your thing?
It doesn't matter where it is.
Okay, give me your ID.
No, you didn't lawfully pull me over. Call another sergeant here. Call another sergeant here. You put your hands on me and assaulted me.
I am all the authorization you.
No, you put your hands on me. I want to speak to someone else.
Talk to somebody else. Talk to somebody else.
If you thought the United States was bad, I'd advise you to stay out of Canada. You see, in the US, an officer must have a lawful reason to pull someone over. This usually means an officer must witness or have evidence that a traffic violation, a civil offense, or a crime has occurred. Otherwise, the detention would be considered a violation of the person's Fourth Amendment right to be secure from unlawful seizures. In Canada, however, law enforcement can pull you over just to see if you have the papers, or to conduct sobriety checks, or even even just to see if your vehicle is safe to operate, and they can do all of the above without suspicion of the violation having occurred. Now, technically, they aren't allowed to pull you over without reason, but these allowances let the Canadian police pull over anyone at any time arbitrarily,
I pulled you over to check you for tint.
making it easy for them to abuse their authority and inconvenience someone, as long as they say the magic words to make it, quote, lawful, unquote. In this case, the state would likely side with their officer and declare that ARM should have assisted the officer by rolling up his window, but Deputy Couchet assaulted ARM after his feelings were hurt, and it's perfectly understandable to want another officer on scene for the duration of the stop.
Give me your ID.
Nope. Absolutely not.
Give me your ID.
No, absolutely not.
Give me your ID.
Don't worry, you already got one lawsuit. Let's make it another
Blah,
one.
blah, blah,
Let's
blah.
make it another one. Okay.
Okay, give me your ID.
Okay, ask Andrew A. Smith what's going on with him. Go ask him.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's
Okay.
see. You put your hands on me, you assaulted me. I can't wait to go file a
So
complaint.
you're a paraplegic, eh?
Doesn't matter.
It does.
It doesn't matter.
It does matter.
Doesn't matter. Leave me alone. I don't want to talk to you. I haven't done anything wrong. I've absolutely done nothing wrong. Leave me alone.
I've given
You're
you-
harassing me now.
I have given
You are
you-
harassing me.
I have given you.
Fucking harassing me. Look at this. He's harassing me.
I've given
He
you-
pulled me over for no reason, and he admitted that. He
I've-
pulled me over for absolutely no reason. He put his hands on me.
I've
And now
given
look
you-
at him trying to talk to me. Put his
I've
head
given you-
in my car. He's
I
on my.
have
Get out of here. I don't want to talk
I
to
have
you.
given you a legal request.
Get out of here. No, you haven't. A lawful.
I
We'll
have.
fight it in court then. I'll see you in court.
It's
F off. Give me a ticket if you want. I don't
I will.
care.
I
I
will.
haven't done.
driver's license, please.
No.
I'll give you a ticket.
Give me a ticket.
I'll give you a ticket. Give me a driver's
For
license.
what?
For refusing to.
Name and badge number right now.
Yeah, 1519.
1519. What's your name?
Sheriff Couchet.
Sheriff Touche.
Couchet. Kusche.
Okay, perfect.
Good.
Perfect.
Good.
Stop today.
No, I didn't. This is all on camera.
Good. So is mine. So is my front and my back dash
Yeah,
cam.
yeah.
You don't care. That's how you are out here. Fucking cowboys.
Yeah.
Always trying to rope up, trying to fucking assault me because you are fucking a piece of.
All right. Okay. So give me a driver's license.
I ain't giving you.
Well, you got to check.
Help!
Help.
Help!
That's right. Help.
Help! Yeah. Yeah. You think it's funny, eh?
I think it's hilarious.
Yeah. You're violating me. You're violating me.
Scream. Scream.
You're violating me.
Go ahead. Scream.
Yeah.
Scream all you
Yeah.
like.
You're going viral, buddy.
Yeah, that's right. I hope so.
Yep.
I hope
You're gonna
so.
lose your pension. How old are you? How old are you?
It's none of your business.
Deputy Couchet's attitude towards this stop suggests that he has operated this way for his entire career. Perhaps even worse, only settling down now in his career's twilight years due to the prolific rise in high-quality cameras. There is no fear because there's never been accountability, and he knows he won't be punished for slapping ARM's hand. But eventually, to detach from the officer, ARM rolls up his windows.
Why did you pull me over? Let's get it straight now. Let's get it for the judge.
Okay.
Why did you pull me over?
I pulled you over to check you for tint,
Okay.
which
And-
I am lawfully allowed to do.
Okay. And now that you know that there's absolutely no tint on my window, what are you gonna do now? What are you gonna do, partner?
Roll up.
What are you gonna do?
Hold up.
What are you gonna do? You already violated me.
Okay, no tint.
Yeah. No tint. So you pulled me over for no reason.
No.
No.
No, relax.
No, you relax. You're the one that wouldn't give me your name and badge number and assaulted me.
Yes, I did give you my name.
For what? Because you wanted to see if I had tint? And I don't have tint?
Okay, first of all, you don't have tint. You're not getting a ticket.
Perfect.
There you
So
go.
why you pull me over?
Because
Unlawfully.
Because I want to check you for tint.
Oh, you want to check me for tint? Shouldn't you wait till you see if my windows are up and I have tint and then actually can pull me over, you idiot? Like, this is bad police, and I hope you have kids and a daughter that sees this.
Blah,
It's
blah,
gonna
blah.
go viral.
Okay.
You're such a goof, man. You're the worst cop I've ever seen.
Really?
Yeah, you're worse than Andrew A. Smith.
Oh, brother. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye, sweetheart. Bye, cupcake. Help! This guy assaulted me. I'm going straight down to file a complaint right now.
ARM went immediately to make a complaint.
I'm here trying to file a complaint at the RCMP. I called the RCMP to make a complaint, and they don't even f***ing care. They ain't sending nobody.
Asking for an officer to meet him outside due to his inability to walk. And after waiting for an extended period, the RCMP officer that watched the videos of the event told ARM that he wasn't actually assaulted, and that was just his perception of what happened. So, even with cameras, there's no accountability. What happens next then? Well, we could always look on the bright side.
First of all, you don't have tint. You're not getting a ticket.
Joyous day. Never taint your windows and obey all commands, no matter how arbitrary, and you won't get a ticket. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, what you think would be an appropriate solution. And if you want to see the other videos in this presentation, they can be found in the pinned comment as well. And another big thanks to Policy Genius for sponsoring this video. None of this would be sustainable if it wasn't for our backers, which includes you. So don't forget to sound off if these international episodes interest you. And if they do, check out one of these other videos. Or stay here in America where the corruption is more familiar.